Right then, so it's been a while since I've uploaded, but I'm going to be showing you today how to install these bucket seats right here. Lovely brides. I bought them about 2 weeks ago. So I've been wanting to put bucket seats in my C30 for a while now because I just slip and slide everywhere in my SE Lux leather seat. So I was like, nah, they need to go. It's time for bucket seats. So I was looking on YouTube how to install, and there's only 2 videos. One guy just takes the seat out and the other guy just gives like a shit, I don't know, it basically doesn't tell you how to do it, it just shows you him doing it. So I thought, you know what, as I'm putting these in, well they're in now, I'm going to show you how to do it and everything that I did, everything that I've spent, tools that you need, time, like all of that stuff. So brief bit about the seats. So they're bride, don't know what they are to be honest. I just seen them on eBay and thought, damn, they're nice. So like obviously got the, you can see, hold on, got the nice suede, whatever you call that material, and then print, and yeah, pretty nice. Fixed back as well, so you're not going anywhere. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you a few clips that I took when I was actually filming. I was pretty ill at the time, so I don't say a lot, so I'll try and voice over what I was doing. But yeah, let's get into it. Right, the tools that you'll need to get your bucket seats in. To start with, you need, I think it's 12 mil ratchet to get the actual seat rail out. And then once that's out, what you want to do is get a T40 Torx, like Allen key, you know, like the multi-teeth kind of thing. Or just get yourself a bit with a ratchet, whatever. There's 4 of them to get the actual seat away from the rails. And then there's also all the wiring. That's easy enough. There's just, I think it's a 7 mil, 5, 7, I don't know. But yeah, literally just unscrew that all the way. Like, and you think, oh, why is this not coming out? Just literally keep unscrewing it, and it'll literally just come apart. And then just get a flathead screwdriver. Just get the, like, pull all the, what they called? Just pull all the wiring connectors out. And obviously you're gonna have to snip a few zip ties and stuff because it's all attached like all to the seat. Snip all of them off, or if you can, just because they're like reusable ones, so you can normally get a flathead, but I just chopped them. You need 17 mil spanners if you're using the 10 mil bolts to put the seat to the aftermarket runners on that angle bar. So obviously you need 2 to get it in because you can't get a ratchet on. Well, you can, but obviously you need another one for the top. You need a good drill. I started off using a handheld one, and honestly my holes, they were all over the place. So if you can, what I've shown you in this video, get yourself one of them ones, proper platform ones that you pull down like that. Get one of them. Honestly, made my life so much easier. And you need 11 mil drill bit, that's the one. Got that from Screwfix, it was like £3 for your hardware. It's not that expensive. Paid £12 for that angle bar, tenner for all the hardware like nuts and bolts, washers, stuff like that. And that was it really. So it literally cost nothing to put in. It's like less than 30 quid it cost me. So obviously what I started with doing is taking the original seat out. So you've got 4 bolts. You've got one there, one here, which what you want to do is just push that little thing in there. And this just slides out, easy as that. Bolt there. And then the other 2 are just 1 and 2 right there. I think it's, what is that, 12, 13, I don't know. You can work that out. But yeah, so I took the seat out, and then I'll put some clips in of me taking the seat off of the rails in now, so you can see that. Right, so what you want to do is just take out them 4 bolt with the T40 Torx bit, and then the whole chair will come away from the rails. Right, then you want to get rid of this. So once you've got the seat out, you want to take off this section here, like the middle bit, which I've showed me drilling out. And then I got myself down Wix's, got myself 2 metre long bits of angle bar. Like this. And then this just bolts straight to where the original seat bolts to, there and there. So obviously just drill some holes, and then you need a spacer because this isn't thick enough for the bolts, because they're like threaded with like a flat bit that obviously sits in there. So yeah, get some of that, get it cut, and then, oh, you're taking the piss. Use the original Volvo bolts. It's a T40 Torx bit, so obviously one at the back there, and then just basically just drill some holes in the top of here. Measure it all up. These holes here need to be 11 mil. Thick, and then the top ones, these are 10 mil bolts, so that's only 10 mil. Sorry about the leaf blowing noise, bloody neighbours pissing me off. And then yeah, the seat just bolts just on the seat rails straight to this, and to be honest, it's easy as that. Make sure you get your nylon lock bolts, and yeah, it's that easy. Oh, get back in for a minute, he's making too much noise. But yeah, you will need to do a bit of cutting and slicing. If you're bothered about wrecking your rails and you want to put your original seats back in, then I suggest getting some second-hand ones and doing it that way, because then obviously you don't really care. If you want to sell the seats straight to someone else, then rails out and then put your new old seats back in. But I don't really care, so you only have to cut like 2 strips off, and then bend. There's like 2 like hook sections like this. You got to bend them out of the way so the seat can sit like more forward. Yeah. Just that, like, obviously that was normally straight up here, but touch the bottom of the seat, so bend that out of the way. Where's the other side? Bend that out of the way. Mate, I've got a saw through that. And Volvos are made of absolute bulletproof shit. I spent 20 minutes to do that. Right, one thing I forgot to mention is putting your resistors in. Get these off Amazon, 2.2 ohm, 5 watt resistors. There's like a pack of 10. And this is for the airbag light in your seat. So just do this, tape it up. But you will need a code reader to get rid of the light on the dash. But once it's off, like, it's gone for good then. So yeah, it's easy as that. Just splice it, wrap it up, tape it up, sorted. Yeah, apart from that, absolutely solid. And I tell you what, it's worth it 100%. They honestly hold you in so much when you just sit in it like that, sending it around roundabouts, and you just like, mate, honestly, when I took it out, I realised how shit my tyres were, so just skidding everywhere, because you literally don't move one bit, just absolutely, obviously that's the whole point, but you know what I mean. So yeah, that's about it for today really. If you're looking at getting them, then 100% do it. Just look on eBay, look on Facebook, there's absolutely loads of bucket seats. And even if they're universal, like, just make them fit. These were universal and they fit fine, so. And these are extra large seats as well. So like and there's absolutely loads of room. Like, look at the room here. So, and one of my mates, he's got like small ones and they fit fine. It's just up to you really. Like, I'm a big guy, I'm 6'5", pretty wide, but these are absolutely perfect for me. Don't have the slider thing for it to go back and forward, because I use these spacers. This is actually too wide for the original, because it fits in there, and obviously this side there. Right there. So it's too wide, so I need to get that like fabricated. But yeah, it's no worries. So you just have to give it a good shove with your shoulder, really. But apart from that, they're literally perfect. Like long journeys, everyone's like, oh, your back's gonna be killing you and stuff like this. Like, to be honest, it was fine. I drove all the way to Newcastle the day after I put them in, and I was comfy as hell, boy. I was so comfy, and I was like just chilling on the motorway like this, thinking this is the life. Got my bucket seats in, absolutely chilling. So yeah, just get bucket seats, honestly, best decision ever. Any questions, just message me on Instagram at lou.c30, sorry, or just comment down below. Leave a like, subscribe if you want. I'm gonna try and do more videos like this. And yeah, so get your seats in.